Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a power bank that attaches to your phone with MagSafe, which also turns your phone into a camera. Kind of a camera. Your phone is already a camera, but it has this handle and it has a button that connects with Bluetooth, so you can use it as a digital camera, let's say. It's called SnapCam Powerbank from a company called Veger, right here. It says magnetic SnapCam handle 5-watt wireless charging power bank. So the maximum output capacity of this is 5 watts when it charges wirelessly. It will attach with MagSafe, but if you don't have an iPhone, they also included a sticker that you can stick on the back of your device. For example, your Android phone, Samsung, whatever you have, you can use it with that as well. And it's pretty easy to take off as well, so don't worry too much. It says, one of the features here says selfie anywhere. 5000 milliamp hours, as I said, 5 watts, stable magnetic support, and ultra portable at 156 grams in weight, which is great. On the back we have some QR code with a scratch card to make sure it's original, some information about where it was made, and so on and so on. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead now and unbox it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm gonna show you guys how to mount it and how to use it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have an instruction manual, a user guide. We have a warranty card. If you got any issues, make sure you reach out to their support right here. Just this will be filled up by them. But if you buy from Amazon, I'm pretty sure you can always return it as long as it's within warranty. But if you got any issues, they'll be more than happy to help you out. We got this magnetic strip with 3M sticky tape on the back, so you can stick it to another device if you don't have an iPhone, for example, with MagSafe. That's really handy. And we have this strap which you can hook to the unit itself. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is used to charge the power bank. If you don't want to use it wirelessly, you can also connect it on the back of the power bank right here. So you connect it right here. You have a power button, a reset button. You can connect it to your phone by USB Type-C as well with the included cable. And this is how it looks. This is the bit that attaches to the back of your phone, and this is the front. And basically when you press this power button on the top, it will flash. You will say it's in Bluetooth mode. Then you have another light for charging, and then it will show you 100%, 75, 50 and 25%. So it will also show you the battery percentage. It's a really cool gadget. I really like it. It will turn your phone into a camera. Basically it will be much easier to hold with this handle. Basically, let me try with my other hand. It's for the right hand. So basically your phone will be here. All you have to do is press. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like in a second. But yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and attach it to an iPhone. Alright, so to connect it, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just press the shutter button once. The Bluetooth light will flash. That means it's in pairing mode. So all you have to do after that is just take your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and look for SnapCam. Then if you click it once and do it once, that's it. You will always have it whenever you enable Bluetooth and this device is on. So to attach it to your phone, it's really simple. All you have to do is just place it right here on the back, and that's it. As you can see, it's firm. It doesn't go anywhere. Obviously you can adjust it a bit better to fit your grip, but pretty much it works. So if you press the shutter button, it will take a photo. Obviously you can change to selfie, but I'm not gonna do that right now. You can see my PC here. Take a picture. Really simple. I'm surprised because it's actually lightweight and it has a strong grip on the phone, so it doesn't go anywhere. And yeah, pretty much that's it. This is how it looks. Obviously you can peel this film off it. It will make it look much better. actually like a camera. I think it's a design choice. And if you guys want to buy the SnapCam, I'm gonna have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.